I got a referral from a friend, parang sabi niya, sino gusto ng trabaho? Sabi ko ako. And then, that's how I discovered shoot. Naging part-time job ko siya habang finish ko yung degree ko. I was just taking one subject. It ended at 10 a.m. So, medyo sakto naman kasi after class, I'd go here na. And then when I graduated, tumuloy-tuloy na ako here. I deal with the potential clients, potential students. Siyempre, there's the marketing aspect to post sa social media, send mga email blast, mag-aayos ng mga mailing list, ganyan. Tapos mag-edit ng website. Once may nag-register na, ako yung nagpo-process ng sign-ups. Tapos natawagan ko sila to confirm their enrollment, to remind them to register, remind them of their down payments. When time for class arrives, ako yung nagko-collect ng payment lang, nag-issue ng receipts. Para medyo runner din minsan, like papaprint certificates, bili ng supplies. I mean, when I was younger, I used to like making videos, Windows Movie Maker pagamit ko nun, ganyan. Ginagawa ko pag spare time. Pero, I guess, there came a time na I got intimidated by the equipment. Kasi nung high school, pag wala kang DSLR, di ka rich. Or hindi ka cool. Pero so yeah, I borrowed cameras from my friends. And I joined the photography club, ganyan. Kaso, nung na-overwhelm ako when I realized there are different kinds of lenses, maraming equipment, ganyan. Sabi ko, parang parang expensive hobby ganyan. Pero inisip ko talaga, 5 minutes ko siya inisip. Sabi ko, matuto kaya ako mag-film? Sa shoot na rin naman ako. Ano kaya? And then after na-realize ko, wag na lang. Parang masasabi ko mas strength or mas passion ko lang talaga yung writing. Super understanding din na Sir EJ. Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila to, pero sobrang understanding talaga na. Sobrang supportive nila sa lahat ng endeavors in life. Tapos, aside from the schoolwork kasi, sometimes I get friends who are looking for video services or video help, ganyan. Tapos nare-refer ko rin kina Sir EJ. For example, I have a friend nun, they wanted to do a jeepney karaoke thing for Rock of Ages. So, nirefer ko itong here sa shoot. Tapos, ayun, maganda naman yung kinalabasan na video. It's really good rin for networking kasi everything comes together. Yung ate ko kasi makeup artist din siya. So, kapag may weddings and events, of course, ito siya nagme-makeup, ganyan. Tapos, you get really good connections and you realize na maliit ang mundo. And kahit nasa super different fields kayo, they come together in one way or another. Kasi video is everywhere, sa totoo lang. Hindi lang natin super na-appreciate kasi, yun nga, it's everywhere. Kasi sa simula nung graduate ako, hindi na ako binibigyan ng pera ng nanay ko. Or pag bibigyan man niya ako, alam mo yung, I pay it back. Pero naman, it comes with being an adult rin naman. I mean, I can't rely on my parents forever. Tas, syempre, habang bata pa ako, dapat natututo na ako mag-budget ng sariling pera, ganyan, kasi hindi madali makakuha ng pera. Very spontaneous kasi siya, kasi I don't know what to expect when I come to work every day. Like, minsan papasok ako, may mga nagvi-video sila dyan, photoshoot, parang ako, nangyari? Minsan pasok ako, walang tao. Minsan papasok ako, office lang kami. Minsan may course. Favorite ko kapag may course kasi ang daming tao. Ang saya ko kasi pag maraming tao I'm more the kind of, live through every day. Yung parang hindi mo talaga ako matatanong sa long-term plans. As in parang, ask me when the time comes. Cross the bridge when we get there. Ganun.